Hola mis qué tal, bienvenido a mi canal. So I've gotten a few requests asking what I thought about dry shampoo with heat trained hair, and I actually never used dry shampoo on my heat trained hair, so I wanted to try it for you guys. My hair has been straightened, I want to say a week and a half ago, and I have not really oiled it or anything just because I wanted to more accurately see how dry shampoo is going to respond to my hair with really nothing in it. My hair is an absolute mess now, but we're still gonna do this video anyway, and let's see how this dry shampoo works. I'm not actually gonna style my hair as if I'm going out. I'm just going to test it on my hair to see if I feel like it would be able to help me with styling my hair to make it look a little bit more fresher. So initially I was trying to get the Shea Moisture Rose dry shampoo, but I wasn't going to be able to get it in time because I'm actually about to put my hair back into a protective style in the next couple days. So I ended up getting the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak. I have a link down below, and this wasn't that expensive at all, especially compared to the Shea Moisture one, although the Shea Moisture one was only like $11 or something like that. This is around about $5-6 bucks. And let's read the instructions. Shake and then spray generously on the roots and throughout the hair if needed. Work with fingers. Brush through to diffuse the powder and watch it absorb any excess oils. Style as desired or enjoy your newly freshened hair. So again, the last time I washed my hair was about a week and a half ago, a little bit more than that. So, and I did not really put any products because I wanted to just show you guys an accurate view of what my hair would look like naturally. And this is kind of the oil that I have. Very poofy at the bottom, and to me it doesn't have much movement. I mean, it has some movement as you can see, but just, I don't know, it just feels icky. Let's see here, I'm gonna shake, just lift it up, I guess. It smells fresh. I don't really know, it smells like maybe not a deodorant, but yeah, maybe like a deodorant. So now I'm spraying a little bit more so that way I can see kind of the white film show up, because I feel like it's working a little bit better. Maybe that's too much, but I don't know, we'll see. Now I'm going to take a brush, kind of distribute it throughout my hair. Bro, I feel like that kind of worked. My hair doesn't feel super... Oh my god. My hair doesn't... Bro. I may not have to wash my hair tonight, because I was actually going to wash my hair tonight, and I don't think I have to. I'm gonna spray like maybe the lower half of my hair a little bit, just because I see some more oil. I have a photo shoot in the morning, so that's how I was gonna wash my hair. But if I don't have to, because this photographer is pretty good, so if my hair is in A1, like, it's okay, he can Photoshop it. Bro, my hair even moves better. Bro, this just changed my entire life. Seriously, how did I not know anything about this? Like, my hair looks thicker and fuller. I'm spraying a lot just because I'm always super heavy-handed with my products. But I find that the more I spray, the fluffier and lighter it feels. And I'm trying to make sure I get into like each section of my hair too. Now the scent is very heavy, so I feel like people are definitely gonna smell you when you're walking past, but it smells fresh. It smells like deodorant though, like a fresh deodorant. So it's a little weird because it's, my hair is gonna smell like deodorant, I guess. But if my hair looks like this, it's worth it. Okay, that's it. That's all for this side. I know I spent a lot of time on this side, but again, I have a photo shoot tomorrow, so I want to make my hair look as nicely as possible. I do have crud everywhere though. Like the little, yeah, it's like little dust or something. It's all over my clothes and all over my brush. So if you are doing this, I would do it in an old t-shirt and a brush that you really wouldn't care about. Now let's do this side. So I think it's easier to start off from the bottom and work your way up, and I think it's easier to work in sections. And again, I think you should spray until you see that white film show. Okay, I'm gonna stop spraying because I used a lot of this bottle, but the results, I'm mind blown. I think this is the perfect solution if you want to continue to wear your hair straight, but you don't want to go through the whole process of straightening it again. You can see there's a lot of white powder at the top still. I think that if I just dab a towel and kind of dab my hair, it'll come right off, but my hair basically looks like it's kind of blow dry, maybe got a little frizzed up, so I am going to touch it up with the flat iron. I just kind of want to show you guys the the results that I got, this is absolutely mind-boggling. I can't believe I never thought about dry shampoo or used it before, because this completely saved my evening. So what I noticed with working with the dry shampoo, what works best is spraying on top of the hair and then pulling it back so you can spray underneath the hair in that same spot. So make sure you're spraying both sides. Kind of after you spray it, let it sit on the hair for a few seconds before you just start brushing it through. Again, it does have a very strong smell. It's not a bad smell, it's very fuerte. So I would probably recommend you do this the night before, like I did, so kind of the smell can hopefully relax a little bit. But other than that, I will have this product linked down below. Let me know if you guys have any further questions about dry shampoo, or if you have any specific ones that you want me to possibly try. This is going to be my new favorite thing now. And do I recommend it for you trained hair? Most definitely. Vale, es todo lo que quiero decir y hasta el video próximo. Assalamu alaikum.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.